Hey there, pet lovers. Today I'm diving into the world of houseplants that are safe for your furry friends. We all love having a bit of greenery in our homes, but it's crucial to make sure our plants aren't toxic to our cats and dogs. Here's a quick rundown of 26 houseplants that are both beautiful and pet friendly. First up, we have the Boston fern. This classic beauty is safe for both cats and dogs. Next, the African violet, which adds a splash of color without any risk to your pets. Spider plants are a fantastic option. They're hardy and even produce adorable little plantlets. Venus flytraps are non-toxic, but remember to use distilled water to keep them happy. The areca palm is another safe choice. Just be mindful of fluoride in tap water. Calatheas need consistent temperatures and humidity, but they're perfectly safe for pets. The playful polka dot plant might cause mild digestive upset if ingested in large quantities, so keep an eye out. Air plants are soil-free and safe, though they might turn into toys for your cats. Ponytail palms and purple passion vines are safe, but can attract curious pets with their enticing foliage. The parlor palm is a long-lived, safe option that can last for decades. For something more unique, try the staghorn fern or the braided money tree. Remember, even though these plants are non-toxic, it's always a good idea to keep them out of reach to prevent any mishaps. For more detailed info on each plant, check out the link in the description. Happy planting and keep those pets safe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more pet-friendly tips.